Hello, tutor remains from the course English Conversation. I'm Luis Fernando Alvarez, and today I want to introduce myself and answer a couple of questions. In reality, 3 strategies to improve my speaking skills. First, my introduction. I'm Luis Fernando Alvarez. I live in Medellin and belong to the same SEAT. I'm 30 years old, and I have been teaching English for 6 years now. I'm in the 8th semester, and I have a lot of expectations for this course. At this point, I'm so really excited about it. My contact information is as follows. My email address is luisfer, that's luisfer123883@gmail.com. My WhatsApp is 311-739-8799. My Skype address is luis.alvarez396. Now I want to share with you my 3 strategies so that I can use to improve my speaking skills. The first one is to speak a lot. So it really doesn't matter if I make mistakes or not. I think it's important, talking from experience, and it really doesn't matter if you make mistakes. So we learn from those mistakes. So whenever you have the chance to speak in English, just do it. That is something I have been doing since a couple of years ago, and it's been really successful up to now. It really doesn't matter if you are trying to master the language from the very beginning, but little by little, in the long run, you're going to see that these techniques, just trying to speak from the very beginning, you're going to see the results in the long run. It doesn't matter that the mistakes, you don't have to think about so much about the mistakes. And little by little, you're going to see that you're going to do it better every single day when it comes to speaking the language. My second strategy that I want to develop, or I have seen is quite useful, is listen a lot. Even though, in English we have 4 skills: listening, speaking, reading, writing. And listening and speaking are really connected. That means that when you listen, you're going also to develop the understanding of what you have heard. That way you can also interpret or to paraphrase in a speaking practice what you have recently listened. I found this quite interesting since I have listened to a lot of recording in English, the media, even watching TV. But with a simple strategy, for example, that listen and pause it, then you repeat what you said, it's quite useful. Is to try to use this technique or this strategy in order to improve your pronunciation. You can also get lots of vocabulary, lots of idioms, lots of expression, even the American accent or the British accent, whatever you prefer. So I really recommend this strategy. Listen and repeat a lot. Also, if you do it on a daily basis, just 10-15 minutes every day, you're going to see, that in the long run, you're going to be very, very, very successful. That's for sure. And lastly, my third strategy that I tried to use in the past and I try to use even now is to get a language parent. A language parent is someone who is native from the language. In this case, is an American citizen or a British citizen, and it's someone who you can have the chance to interact every single day. So that way, you're going to get the language directly from a direct source, in this case, a native speaker. Why? Well, this is the best way you can do in order to get vocabulary, expressions, quite similar to my strategy number 2 that I wanted to mention. The idiom, the accent, the way they speak, and you're going to be familiar with the language. That's why some people think English is complicated, because when they listen to the native speakers talking, they don't understand anything. The reason is because we need to be more in contact with them, try to know the way they speak, the way they think, and the way they behave, also their habits, their culture. This way, being in contact with native speakers and having them as language parents, you're going to see that your English level is going to rise sooner or later. That's for sure. The outcome will be the same. Improve your speaking skills, and these have been my 3 strategies I have used and that I continue using on a daily basis to improve my speaking skills. So I encourage you, tutor mate, to watch my videos, and also I'll look forward to hearing from your comments. For now, bye bye, and hope to rate my video. Bye bye.